Thutha wa aikari a Kalou kwiyumiria na namba nene guikia kura, komishoni ya ithurano na mihaka ni tafanitio tari wa kura na kwanirira hotani wa Sammy Kamau wa weru ta mũmbunge mũthure na kuria ahotanite na kura 35,440. Gicigo giki kia ubunge kirari na aikia kura 73,480 aria mandikithitio register-ini ya ABC, no kuria 41,656 nicio ciraikirio ikirugamirira gicunji kia 57 gia kura ici ciothe. Mũmbunge mũthure Sammy Kamau wa weru wa DCP atongoretie na kura 35,440. Sammy Muchina Nyaga wa UDA agicoka na kura 5,450. Wilson Mwaniki Kigwa wa Jubilee 198. Stephen Wanyoike wa Ithaka wa National Liberal Party 103. Timothy Kamau Kariuki wa People's Revolutionary Movement 51. Edwin Kari Mushiri wa PNU 28. Abdifata Hussein Abdullahi wa FPK kura 19. Edward Mathenge Mwaniki wa Kenya Moja Movement kura 16. nake Recho wa Njoroge wa PDP akiona kura 11. Akiaria thutha wa kwanirirwo ta muhotani, Sammy Kamau ngotho ni acokeire aikari ngatho ni undu wa kumucagura na kumerira ni kumarutira wira.
Thank you so much, the people of Kalou. I will serve you diligently with the best of my ability, and I pray God to help me serve you the best that I can. I've always been telling you that has been my prayer to God, that He does not only give me the seat but also gives me the wisdom to serve you in the best way that you can be represented.
Oho ataburite mwandiki munene wa kiama kia DCP Senator wa Nyandarua John Methu ni gutongoria kampeini cia kumunyitirira.
I want to also thank the person who led the team that was campaigning for me. He's the party secretary general. I wanted to say His Excellency, but he's not yet His Excellency. Honorable Senator Kamau.
Methu ni orotete IBC thutha wa ngui iria iratuthukire hindi ya githurano giki kuri andu marari na mishinga maratharikire muingi na gutiga amwe mari na nguraro cia mwiri, amwe mari andiki a mohoro.
There's something that we pursue with the IBC. Get to understand how people are being allowed at the full glare of the cameras to walk around with the AK-47s and shoot just aimlessly. Now I've been just informed that we have lost somebody. It is not what is supposed to happen. Nobody should lose a life because we have an election.
Girifotera Inoro TV, Jitakarithi wa Jega.